In this lesson, we'll talk about how you could respond to the following questions. What is your short-term goal and what is your long-term goal? Now, this is a question that most people dread because let's face it, we ourselves are not clear about our short-term and long-term goals. And if you're not clear about your short-term and long-term goals, it is okay. However, in the interview, you will need to present something to ensure that you are not completely bonkers about what you have to do some years into the future. If you are clear about what you need to do in the short term, that is in the next 3 or 4 years, and in the long term, that is in the next 10 or 12 years, then you can present it to the interviewer. The number one mistake that people make is they mention where they want to be after a few years and after many years. I suggest you talk about what you want to do in the short term and the long term. Here's how everybody else does it. In the short term, I want to be a project manager wherein I'll be managing a team. In the long term, I see myself as a leader in the organization where I can be responsible for many teams and many clients. This is the being answer. What is the doing answer? In the short term, I am looking forward to applying the skills that I have learned in the B school on the job and understanding from practical experience on how I can grow and how I can polish my functional skills at a greater level. In the longer term, I would also be looking to sharpen my managerial skills, that when I'm managing a team, how can I balance managing the team, managing the client and managing the product or service that I'm working on. That is something that I wish to work on in the long term. So if you're not sure about your long-term goal, or even if you are sure about your long-term goal, focus your answer not on what you want to be, but rather more on what you want to do. I will see you in the next lesson.